Hey guys, remember the last video I created where I I taught you guys how to create this kind of shape, and at the end of the video I mentioned that if you want me to create a video on how if you want me to create a design on this background, right? And many of you commented, I mean, see a lot of comments that says that I should create a video, right? I already created video, and this was the result of the video of the design I created with the background. Here is it. So in this video I'm going to be showing you guys how I created this design from the background to the finishing. So without further ado, let's dive into it. All right, so this is the background as we all know it. Now what I did is that I exported this background. I exported it. Just give it some time to save up. Okay, so after exporting it, I just go to default, delete this away, then I bring in the background, go to this layer and click from gallery. Okay, so here's the background. Yep. Okay, so sorry, that's a mistake. Let's bring it as an image. Let's bring it in as an image. Here you go. All right, so just going to fix it to the screen and lock it up. Then I'll go to my color filters, but before we do that, let's bring in the design. If design we created, this is the design we created with it instant for one of my friend business. So what I'll do now is that I'm going to click on the background, go to color filters, and I'm going to change the hue. That's the color. Change the color to blue. Okay, yeah, so can you see that I reduce the brightness and increase the contrast? Can you see this? As simple as that. So now what we do next is that I exported this. I'm sorry, okay, let me bring in the stuff I brought in first so you would understand better. Okay, yeah, so I brought in this stuff from Pinterest. I downloaded it from Pinterest. So what I did is that I went to my erase color and I erased this color off, and I increased my tolerance. So can you see? And that way of removing backgrounds on pixellab. So I increased this, and brought it to this area. Understand? Probably tilted it a bit like this and took it to the back. Oh no, sorry, it will work at the back, it will work here. So when I did it like this, and I'll save it up, you understand? I saved it up. Okay, I don't know, I saved it up. So when I saved it up, I took it to a site called fractal glass. I took it to a site called fractal glass, and I did this on the fractal glass. If you want me to create a video on how I created this, it's a new video. It's a video on its own. If I have to do that on this video, it's going to be really long. So if you want me to create a video on how I achieved this, I think I've created a video on it. Yeah, I have created a video on it before. So if you're interested in learning it, you'll see if a video on top. You can click on it, or you'll see the video at the end of this video. You can click on it to watch it. Thank you. So I already fixed this lightning image, and I've already put in the text at that time when I exported the background, the image, and I put it on fractal glass. So we'll not be needing this, so just delete it away. This is what we'll be using. So we increase this to the size of the canvas, that's the screen. Okay, let's reduce it a bit. Let's take it down. Okay, yeah, so I'm going to take it to the back like this. Then we'll go to our eraser and increase this and increase this. I'm going to clean clean through. By the way, if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please do. You'll be missing out in a lot if you're not subscribed. So I just cleaned off that place. Now what are we going to do now if we want to really achieve this thing? Now you got it right. So I'm going to go back to this erase color, click on this pen tool, take this dark side and click OK. So you can see we filtered that body. So we're still going to clean off this place. It's covering the shape, you know, this place. You only need this lightning effect. That's all we need. Yep. So we are now going to let's go to the erase color again. Let's increase the tolerance. Cool. Probably just increase this a bit and bring it here. Then go to the color filters again, reduce the brightness and increase the contrast. Yeah, this is okay. I may just need to clean this a bit. Cool. Alright, so I'll lock it up, and the next thing we are bringing in is the image. Now this image is the image of the real person that owns this brand, but you know, he used AI to make it more, you know, amazing, or what's it? Is it that way, amazing or fantastic? So bring it here, and we are going to do a slight editing. We're going to reduce the saturation, brightness also, and increase the contrast. So can you see the difference? So can you see the difference now? I think it's turning, I mean it's making sense. So next thing we do now is bringing in the text. Bring in a text called amazing. Amazing. So the font I use is called fractal fonts, and the color I use is a gradient color. Oh my god, I can't get the gradient here. Okay, let's just work on it again. So go to gradient and click on the plus button, click on color, take it here. Orange is the first color, then the other one is yellow, pure yellow. Cool. So bring it like this, duplicate this one, bring it here, choose a kind of a lemon color, bring it down. That's it. Can you see, guys? I just created the color, I mean the color. Then the next one is called laptop. Laptop. Okay, so this one is a different color, it's in a blue gradient. I will have just choose this one and, you know, call it a blue, but I'm going to create that one also from the beginning, from scratch. So I'll just pick a neutral color, use a neutral color, then that white color, pick it as blue, but a deep blue, sorry. Then this dark one, I need to pick it as this type of color, cyan. This color is called cyan blue. Okay, let's make this one a bit lighter. Yeah, great. So I'll make this one a bit like this. Probably create white. Let's create white in this place. Yep. Or let's do this one away. Let's do this away. Cool. So I'm going to turn this like this and turn this like this. Perfect. Now we just created the laptop. We did this I'll increase this a bit, make this a bit big. Then due. Oh, let me use this one instead. Due, good. Make it bold, not really bold, something like this. Cool. So this color is quite going to be different, something like this. Yeah, probably something like this. I'm still looking at the color. I'll change the color for this one also. There must be unison in it. Okay, amazing laptop D. I think this is okay. Yeah. So I'll duplicate this one, and I'll put an exclamation mark, bring it to the center, and increase the size. Oh, I haven't knocked this one. Let me knock it. All right. So just bring it to this area. Cool. Let me switch up my data. All right. So amazing laptop deal. The question mark. So the next thing we're going to do now is we'll bring in, okay, another text. This one should be get amazing laptop deals that are affordable and good for business. That are affordable and great for business. All right. So what we're going to do is that we are going to use the font called Montserrat. This is the Montserrat font I used. Just fixed it in this place. Then quality. Okay, we are done with the design already. So we would need a tick icon. I think I downloaded that. I think this is it. I'm not seeing it. Yeah, this is it. So now, by the way, I downloaded this icon on flaticon.com. I might probably just drop the link to the site where I got this, almost all these elements, in my description section. So okay, first one is quality products. Quality products, make it this way, center alignment, and make it a bit small. Reduce this and bring it here. Okay, yeah, let's duplicate that. Make sure I might be very fast, so you might want to reduce the speed of this video to watch it and understand it better, because I'm trying to meet up with the time. I don't want this to be more than 30 minutes. I don't want to up to 30 minutes, by the way. So duplicate this and I write excellent satisfaction. Bring it here. Okay. So when you're doing something like this, you make sure they are all aligned. You understand? Can you see? Make sure they are all aligned. And the next one, copy this, bring it here. The last one, sorry. bring it down, up. Cool. Yeah, duplicate. Oh, sorry, that's a mistake. Duplicate this text again, and let's see what we are writing. Budget friendly. Budget friendly is the next one. Budget friendly. Yep. So bring it here. So that will be all right. Okay, that place is not really showing. So this is what we'll do. We'll move this image down. Then mesh these ones and move them sideways too. Oh, there's a mistake there. This is what I want to move. Move this. Okay, now we can move this one. Oh no. Yeah, so move this one. And probably move all of them up. Even bring this one down again. Yeah, I think it's cool now. Then we'll bring in this shape. Make sure the shape is around here. Circle it down here and change the gradient color to, okay, no, just the color to cyan. Change it to cyan, then duplicate the text which contact us. So I have to change the color to navy blue and the strengths something like this. You can zoom in if you are not seeing it clearly. Cool. So you duplicate this one also, edit it, bring it here. Then you will move the opacity and increase the stroke width and change the color of the stroke width to white. Okay, let's add to the stroke width one more. Use it this way. So yeah, take it this way. Then duplicate this text and you click on, you write WhatsApp/call. WhatsApp/call. And you put a colon. And since this is dark text and a dark background, you change the text to white. Cool. Then put it here. So that's it. Yeah, I'm going to duplicate the text again, and you just type in a number. I might not be adding the same number, so I'll just add my own number. change the color also to white. Copy. Alright, I don't the design as simple as that. So can you see this is how I created that design from the background I created a tutorial about last week, and this design. So if you love the design, if you love the process, do well to click the share button, like, and also subscribe if you haven't subscribed, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace, and do it the done way.